Now, on a daily basis, at least 7 to 8 patients with COVID infections are being admitted in Kashmir's DRDO hospital. A big jump in figures can be seen from only 1 to 2 hospitalizations daily from June to September. My colleague Mufti with this ground report.
There is a heightened activity in the COVID ward of DRDO Hospital, Kashmir's biggest hospital. For the last few weeks, at least 7 to 8 patients have been admitted here on a daily basis. It is a big jump from the June to September period when only 1 or 2 patients used to be hospitalized daily.
Well, this gives you a description of how you have to really don some of the PPE kits before you really go into the red zone. All these wards where COVID patients are placed, this is the kind of preparedness one has to make. These are the top doctors of this institute, this hospital called DRDO, which has been set by Prime Minister in June.
Hospital officials are preparing for the worst, a possible further surge in the next 2 months when winter really sets in and people stay in closed spaces with poor ventilation.
In winters, we know that our windows are closed and we get all keys to smaller places. So that will automatically attribute to the spread of COVID if we get into contact with any patients, and the viral load in that particular space will be definitely higher than the open ventilated space. In the first wave also, in the second wave, it was the winters when we had the surge in number of cases. Around 6 admissions.
COVID deaths in Kashmir have increased 5 times in the last 1 month and infections have gone up by 58%. Just to put things in perspective, there were 7 COVID deaths in October, but the figure jumped to 35 in November. Positive cases were 2,290 in October, that increased to 3,623 in November. Even fully vaccinated people are contracting the virus, though the fatalities are less in their case.
We have seen cases where the breakthrough infections have taken place and the people have reported to the hospitals with reinfection. There were certain deaths, around 2 to 3 deaths in this hospital, where the patients were having both jabs received. So that's a matter of concern.
First, it were the huge marriage gatherings in September and October that triggered a spike in COVID cases in Kashmir. Now, the cold weather conditions are further going to worsen the situation. Doctors and experts have warned that if COVID behavior is not followed, there would be proliferation of COVID cases.
With the new and highly transmissible Omicron variant fast spreading across the world, Kashmir's COVID fears have only increased. With Mufti Islah, Chetan Dhalla for CNN News 18.